Hey guys, welcome to Tech Brew. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create custom Discord emojis. So if you've seen other Discord servers, you've probably seen that a lot of servers have custom emojis. And if you're wondering how you can add a custom emoji to your own Discord server, today I'll show you guys how you can actually really easily do that without any difficulties. So obviously, I think one of the easiest ways to do this is just to search online for a custom Discord emoji maker. So this one works really well. You just upload your image and it'll resize it to that restriction that Discord requires. So that restriction for Discord really is only 256 KB. So in the case that if your picture is already 256 KB, when you're in your server, you just want to go over to the server settings and go over to emoji on the side here and click upload emoji. Now the way that I prefer to do this is to use Windows 10, not really built-in, but if you guys remember, I made a video on Microsoft Power Toys. If you're interested in downloading this tool, I'll link this video down below or on the top in the top right corner, and you can see that there. But if you guys want to know how you can actually really easily resize this, I'll show you guys how to do that also. So if you guys have like Microsoft Power Toys installed and you want to just use that, which is I think the easiest way to do it, Microsoft Power Toys is really useful and has many cool tools. It has just a resize pictures option, and then you can just go ahead and click that and then choose whatever size you want. So the custom size 128 by 128, that's the size that I'm looking for, and I can just click resize and it'll just resize that. And then now over here in Discord, I can just go ahead and click this, open it, and Discord will just add that emoji, and now that emoji can be used in my server. And you can also change the name for it, so you can actually make it easier to type it into your server so that people can use your emoji that you've added. So that's it for today's video on how to add emojis to Discord. It's super simple and really easy to do, and I think most people should know how to do this if you use Discord, as it can be really easy and it's something that a lot of servers do definitely use. So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you want to see more videos, please be sure to subscribe. And yeah, that's it for today's video.